Oh, look at those boots. I didn't know you were wearing that today.
Of course, today I'm on Combat Corey.
Combat Corey? Combat boots. What are you combating?
You? What else?
I just got off work. They say teamwork make the dream work. My girlfriend got me some screwdriver with ice this time. I prefer ice. And I did all the dishes. Like these hands right here. I'm about to go shower. I'll see you in a jet. First drink of the night, you guys. Wow. Nothing beats a fresh orange juice. You just put shots of vodka in there just to make it a little bit better. That's all. Cold beer right after a hard day of work. Can you beat that? I don't think you can. You trying to replenish. Beer is my Gatorade after work. But now, screwdriver. I'm so happy about this shirt too. I got my girlfriend one. She's Super Vegito Blue. This is Ultra Instinct Goku. Yeah, check out my pecs. Check out my abs, you guys. If you guys want to buy one of these, I will have a link down below where you can get it. I've been trying to wake up Corey. She made a commitment. Ooh, you guys hear that? I heard something. I heard something. Yeah. You can get a coffee and I'll get a beer. You can get a coffee, I'll get a beer.
We do have some specials going on today for St. Patrick's Day. We have a green mint mocha. It's super delicious.
Yes. May I get that one?
Sure. Do you want it hot or cold?
Hot, please.
You got it.
Babe, your tongue is green. Keep going, little something something. Wow, this place is huge. So we're debating on getting a beer or just stick with coffee. Beer it is. Oh, my tie. They do have old fashioned, Bloody Mary, cherry bomb, with a lot of I'm thinking about getting a beer. What do you think, Lips? Let me see your lips. Ooh, they got some green color. Holla. That's your girl Corey. Look at that, guys. St. Patrick's coffee drink. Jingling? What's the beer?
Jingling.
Jingling beer? Cheers. Our day off, Saturday. Yep, guys, it's another morning with Corey and Brian. We go from upper to downer. Coffee and beer. Oh, look at those boots. I didn't know you were wearing that today.
Of course, today I'm on Combat Corey.
Combat Corey? Combat boots. What are you combating?
You? What else?
Corey, how you feeling after having an upper and a downer?
I'm still up.
Are you neutralized? Have you been combat? Oh, what was that? Caught her on camera, guys.
Every time. Doesn't give me a break.
Alright, Corey, what is your favorite vacation of your trip?
Or trip.
Or trip?
Alright, so we have taken a lot of trips, right? Since we started dating. And I think my first one is still the first time that we went to Vegas.
The first one, not the fifth time?
I mean, we did more stuff and I had more knowledge the last time. But the first time that we went is just so pure. And it was the first time that I went out of state with a guy or whatever.
She fell in love with the slot machine, you guys. Back in the day, she's like, $200, take it out.
Babe, we 200, let's cash out now. No. It was good.
Cash out.
I think that staying in that area and enjoying everything, like all the props, it was very fun. I think I like that was fun.
want to squeeze the lime? Actually, this lime has a lot of cheese in it, surprisingly.
Alright guys, just getting some stuff up. See? Supervising mode.
Get too comfortable, okay? That's my job. I sign up for it. Chorizo.
It looks spicy.
Yeah, I hope so. Spicy egg chorizo, quesadilla, little taco. What kind of corn they use? I want like that.
They make it there.
I know, but what can we buy similar to it?
Nothing.
What do you mean nothing? I need another beer.
Of course. Of course. No. Still on supervising mode. No.
Get ready for patio.
Eh. Yeah, you look like a puppet.
A puppet?
A puppet.
A puppet?
$2,800.
So in the morning, we were watching the Try Guys, Eugene, ranking the Girl Scouts cookie from best to worst. So at Walmart, we saw the stand. She couldn't help herself grabbing one.
Thank you for watching, guys. We love you.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Bye.